Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is the quiet flip through of my completed summer album for 2024. I have been putting this album together for 3 videos already, and there is part 4 is this one, just the completed album, because I had to do the last finishing touches like journaling and the last printing of photos, and then decorating any of the page protectors and or layouts with the extra bits from the kit. For mention, I am using a navy snap album, and the collection that is dominant throughout the whole thing is the collection is called Simple Vintage Linen Market Collection. It was available for the summertime. It is gorgeous. It's red, blue, yellow, and like pinks. Worked out so good. A lot of the process videos are on my channel, but for this one, we are definitely doing just a flip through of the completed album. I just want to make mention that I made my dangle charm. These are a sunflower charm, and the beads and the charm are from Hobby Lobby. I do these myself, and I also make some for sale. So follow me over on Instagram, and this will be hooked onto the top ring and then be able to be seen. Let me just show you real quick. On the side as so. And so I made a little label and then the colors work well with the collection, and that will be how it sits on my shelf. So let's do a flip through. Let me zoom in a little bit and enjoy the flip through.